Hello, this is Nezaket on MM12 course, and I'm focusing on H5P module or tool to investigate and to use for my interactive lessons or sessions. So this is a tutorial session, tutorial for H5P tools. So here, how do I start? First of all, I need to select content type as shown here. And when I go there, you can see that I have many options. And all these options seem to be very interesting and useful for teachers. For example, multiple choice. If I choose that, you will see that it allows you to prepare lots of questions. And interactive video, which I really want to exploit, and all sorts of quiz types, gap filling exercises are easy to prepare here. And you can also organize the page as you like, and you may prefer different activities. I will show you later how to select one of them. And I also want to investigate this memory game, and flashcards. We use them for vocabulary teaching a lot, and it would be nice to have them on our Moodle course. Okay, the element of having or being able to upload audio recordings is wonderful. And timelines. This is something we can use, and our students can benefit a lot. They can create their own timelines as well. And okay, so there are many options for different kinds of teachers, This image sequencing can be very good again for different purposes, especially for writing courses at lower levels or intermediate levels for language learners. And charts to do surveys and personality quizzes, essays, and it allows you to give instant feedback, and so many useful things. One of the things I use a lot in my teaching is using board games, and it is also interesting to investigate what I can do here. Let's start with an easy one. Let's start with multiple choice. Okay, so I look at it, content demo, and I think that I can use this. So what I do is I choose use. As soon as I choose use, it takes me to the site. Here I have to type the question and the options, and showing the correct option, of course. And for each option, I need to really add a new one. Okay, I stopped there because it doesn't allow me to continue from the same place. So I went back to the tutorials for authors. And you can also see that there are so many tutorials for you, and you can investigate them. And I said I was really interested in memory game, and especially this one and the interactive video, but I want to see the memory game this time, and I'll look at the tutorial. Okay, I will start watching it. As you can see, the tutorials are very clear and they show you very easily how to use them. So why don't we also look at which one? Okay, let's choose another one which is interesting. Yes, timeline. Again, it will take us to the video tutorial, which is a great source, as you will see. Okay, so I'll stop here again. Isn't it lovely? You can see that it's so easy to prepare the timeline. The message I get here is to create my own library and to have my documents ready before starting these. Let's also look at the tutorial on flashcards, and I'll try to skip the first part, which is introduction. As you may have seen, we always start with the same style, giving a name and yes, adding content. Actually, that was what I wanted to see. I want to prepare a vocabulary flashcard, for example. On one side, I want to put the word. On the other side, I want to put some images. So that will be very useful for that. So we haven't investigated memory game. Why don't we, for the last tutorial here, why don't we listen to the memory game? And I'll try to skip the beginning again, which is always the same. So here I want to exploit this with like Palmanism, not as a memory thing, but I want people to remember activities, for example, with their examples. So I will share them later when I prepare them, but I think that's enough for now. And thanks for listening. So I'll try to add some interactive tasks to this video later. Thank you.